I got the 2-pack, but this also comes in a 4-pack set. So in my pack of 2 of the units, you get 8 short bars like this, which is what you use for the soda cans. So I could put short bars in this and these short bars in this one and have them both accommodate soda cans. Or I could do like I have here, use 1 pack for the soda cans, and then they give you a 4-pack of the longer bars to accommodate those long skinny cans. So you can either have them both be soda cans, or you can have them one of each, but you can't have them both accommodate the long skinny cans because they only send you 1 4-pack of the longer bars. I just want to make sure that that's clear. That was not clear to me when I ordered it. So I have an extra pair of short bars if I want to change it out and make them both soda cans accommodating. Also want to point out that back here, this orange thing here has a little groove. You see that little flap? That little flap that sticks out has to be sitting in that groove for the cans to flow. Earlier, it was in front like that, and the cans kept on getting stuck, and I figured out why. So just make sure it's back in that groove. So it looks like that. Okay, and they'll flow nice and easy. I think each one holds about 12 cans. This one is not in the groove properly. I'm just gonna fix that. And the longer cans were fine as well. You can make these tighter, bring them in a little bit. Nice durable plastic, easy to keep clean. And on the bottom, there are 4 little plastic foot pads, like rubberized pads that will protect your shelf surface in your refrigerator if you're using these in the fridge. Not everybody, it doesn't need to be used in the fridge. You could use them on your countertop. Price-wise, I think the price is fair. It is really nice quality. So I'll give you that. Came with this little instruction card, super easy. And again, an extra pair of 4 bars in case I want to make this one a soda can. So there you go.
Nifty.